Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, World Cup. England versus Mexico. Well, what we gonna have for snacks for the game and who's watching it? Right, first of all, I've got a new limited edition firecracker chicken sandwiches from Aldi, and they come in at $2.25, I think they were, from Aldi. And then we have the sausage rolls, 2 premium, do that say? Let me get my glasses, better I can see what I'm doing now. 2 premium pork sausage rolls, I'm new. I'll let you know how much they were in a minute. I'll find a receipt. So some ideas for snacks, and we're going to test out this Damme Lemon Beer. What came from, got this from Tesco. I think this was $3.75 for 4 on a club card. Again, I'll check on the prices and that. So let's just take a quick look at these, closer look, and then what we're going to do, Kay's going to come in, we're going to sit down, try them out. Right, first of all, the limited edition Eat and Go from Aldi. I'm new firecracker chicken with ranch coleslaw, deeper filled, traffic light system on there, medium heat. It's used by date there, the 5th of July. Go over, let's just have a quick look here at these. Cooked chicken breast in a sweet spicy mayonnaise with carrot, red cabbage and red onion, in a mayonnaise made with sour cream, garlic and cheese with spinach on white bread. That's the ingredients there. I'm not going to read that lot out. We'll just get the allergens, which are wheat, milk, egg, mustard, soya. Also, every effort has been made to remove all bones. Some small bones may remain. They say it on everything to cover themselves. And that is nutritional information. So we'll try these in a minute and get them opened up and see what they're all about. Next on the list, handmade 100% British pork. I'm new, 2 premium pork sausages. Succulent seasoned cuts of British pork wrapped in all butter pastry, serves 2. Traffic light system there, as you see. These are freezable. Again from Aldi. Flip it over. Yeah, got to try to look at the ingredients now on here. You can heat these up in the air fryer. It's very, very small, this writing on here. Really is. Let me get my other glasses. Right, that's a little bit better. Pork, 42%. You can see all the other ingredients in there. We've got allergens, wheat, milk, egg in there. Little GB mark on there. 188 grams, 2 times 94 grams. Just go across here. Nutritional information is there. But you use boiled storage, freezing if you want to freeze them. Yeah, so we're going to try these out as well. And then last but not least, the Damme Lemon flavoured beer. It's 3.2% ABV, refreshing lemon juice drink. 6 parts beer, 4 parts lemon. I was recommended these by one of my followers. I will let you know who it is shortly, like we find. But yeah, these come in packs of 4, and I'm sure this was $3.50 with a club card. Again, I'll find out and give you some more information on. But we're going to have that for the beer, and again, we'll get started in a minute and see what this lot is all about. Right, I'm just waiting for Kay to come down. She's upstairs doing something at the moment. Right, the sandwiches, the firecracker chicken sandwiches you see are £2.19. Apologies there, as you can see. And these were £2.25 or 29. I did have a look a minute ago. One sec. Yeah, £2.29 for those sausage rolls. You only get 2 in there. They're quite big and wide, so we'll see what they're like as well. Also, right, England, let's quickly talk about England while we're waiting for Kay. What's everyone's prediction then? Monday morning 1 AM, they move it back, they move it forward. Oh God, that's just, do you know what I mean? It's getting ridiculous. And they can still move it again. Who's staying up for it? Who's watching it? Am I? Possibly. I don't know. Depends how tired I am, to be quite honest. But, that's, do you know what I mean? Funny old time, really. And the game could be delayed, they saying, if there's storms. What's going to happen to all these special licences that the government has said the pubs can have, but they must shut at 5 AM? What happens if the game is postponed for a couple of hours? Absolutely ridiculous, you know. But yeah, that's the way it is. Score, I reckon 2-2. I reckon 2-2, extra time, go to penalties. I think England could go out, I really do. Here's Kay anyway, just come in. We'll get her up there. Right, Kay's there anyway. Right, so the Lemon Beer, the Damme Lemon Beer was $3.75 with a club card. So what we're going to do, and that was Scott who recommended this and said about it. So you get 4 cans in a case, and it's only 3.2% ABV. You can see it all there. We did read a little bit out a little while ago. I'm not going to go through that again. They're nice and cold. They've been in the fridge. So yeah, let's try these beers first, and we'll see. There they are in the cans. Hang on, if I can hold it without dropping it. There it is. You can see it there. Yeah, just open your can up, Kay, and we'll give these a go and see. Wow, that really smells of lemon. I'll just pour that out, as you can see. Now these are the size of a Coke can again. A little bit left in there. Quite cloudy, as you see, in there. But the smell of lemon, well, really hit you. Give it a go, Kay. Tell me what you think. 3.2% ABV.
That is nice.
Oh, it's refreshing, isn't it?
It is.
That's an easy drinker. Certainly tastes the lemon up. All right, that's not exactly the ABV on it. The alcohol content exactly high, but it's very refreshing and very nice. Kay certainly like it. She's straight in there.
Yeah.
Certainly get that lovely taste of the old lemon citrus in it. Obviously done with a lager, but yeah, that's really good. A little bit of gas, isn't it? Nothing to write home about though, but no, that is seriously nice.
It's easy drinking.
That is easy drinking. As I say, $3.75 if you've got a club card in Tesco's. Thank you, Scott, for that. That's really nice. Lovely, refreshing, that is. If you want something with that, just that little taste of beer and that nice taste of lemon. If you like lemon, I highly recommend it. What would you score that, Kay, that beer? Flavour?
Flavour-wise, I'd score it about an 8.
I'd go a 9 on flavour, myself. You'd have it again, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. Right, $2.29 these sausage rolls. We've read all the information on the back, done that on camera. So we'll try these out. Could be an idea for football at 1 o'clock in the morning. You can see these sausage rolls come in a little tray. There's 2 of them. They are fairly big, and you pick one, Kay, whatever you want.
That'll do.
And as I say, you can heat these up if you want. I'll just eat these cold and see what they're like. Now, these are...
We'll cut them in half, shouldn't we?
Well, you can if you want.
And
I'm not. I'm just... Go get a knife then, so you want to cut it in half. 1 sec. Got a knife. Yeah, good idea, Kate, I must admit.
Yeah.
I'll just cut this suit. Right, you can see then inside what we're getting and what we got. $2.29. Yeah, it is on the pricey side, I suppose, but what's it like? Dive in, Kay. Try it. Do smell nice, I must admit. Is it going to taste nice? Let's go for it.
They are nice, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
They are really nice.
they are.
Well,
aren't
that's got, I don't know, that's just so flavourable. All the flavours are there. It's well seasoned, isn't it?
they? Yeah, it's got loads of flavour, honestly. Sausage meat.
Yeah, that's really nice, that is.
And the
your pastry, I was going to say that. I mean, you can heat these up. Do you prefer your sausage rolls hot? Do you prefer them cold? I don't know. Let me know. But I don't mind either way, to be quite honest.
They are nice.
That is a lovely tasting sausage roll.
Yeah, tasty, aren't they?
I've got to give that a good 9.
Yeah, so have I.
Definitely. Right, just rinsing our mouth out with the beer and we're going to the sandwiches.
They have got full of flavour, aren't they?
That is a nice palate cleanser as well, that isn't that beer? That is lovely. Right.
Yeah, that is.
So we went through the sandwiches. £2.19. As I said, the new firecracker chicken. I thought we'll do this last because firecracker could be a bit warmer. I didn't want it to sort of distort the taste of the sausage roll, if you know what I mean. There you go, Kate. Pick whatever sandwich you want. Right, you got it. Just watch the stuff don't fall out of it. Yeah, come on. Right.
Thank you.
So in white bread, I'll get that out of there and you can have a closer look at that. There you go. That's all you're filling inside.
Yeah. You can't really open it very well.
No, well, I can peel it back for you, just have a quick look at. Yeah, just dive in, Kay, and tell you what it's like, what you think, and go from there. What are you picking up? Anything?
I aren't picking up any spiciness.
No, I'm not. I'm picking up, don't you picking up carrot and red cabbage? I can taste it.
It's supposed to be 2 chilies.
Let me go in again. Get a bit of the old chicken.
I don't know if that can taste like tomatoey. A bit tomatoey.
That's a nice taste, whatever it is.
Yeah.
The bread is lovely and fresh. Would I have them again? Do you know, I would have it again. I've got, do you know, now I've got a slight warmth on my tongue. Only very, very slightly. Score-wise.
I've got like a creamy taste, haven't
Yeah,
you?
that's like a coleslaw taste. I think that's coleslaw in it, actually. Yeah, that is. And you know, I've got a lovely warm on the back of my throat now from that chicken. Though I feel the chicken has lost slightly, innit?
Yeah.
But the flavour of whatever it's done in, like a coleslaw come mayonnaise, is pretty nice. I mean, the chicken, obviously, you know, just little tiny bits. That's all you're going to get in sandwiches,
It's
isn't it?
probably like shredded, isn't it? Shredded chicken.
But
It's a limited edition.
I'd have that
You
again.
got to tell people.
Yeah, I did say it earlier on.
Oh.
Limited edition, yeah. I would actually, I'd have that again.
Yeah.
Score about 8 out of 10, I reckon, for them.
Yeah.
It's up to you. You say what you like.
10, yeah. That's what I've got a little bit of warmth on my tongue now.
Nice. So that is just an idea for the football. 1 o'clock in the morning. Does that get changed in the meantime? Would you buy them? Would you have them? Do you need, I don't know, what you want to eat at 1 o'clock in the morning? Do you want to eat anything? Do you want to drink anything? You got to go to work. This is the thing, but whatever. These are a nice beer, definitely. The whole lot is quite nice, and I like them sausage rolls. I really do.
Yeah, so do I.
And the sandwiches, and I got that warmth on my tongue.
I have.
So yeah, all in all, pretty good.
Yeah.
So £2.19 for the sandwiches, £2.29 for the 2 sausage rolls, valid from Aldi. Then you got your 4-pack of your Damme Lemon Beer from Tesco's, £3.75 with a club card. Get that lot, sit there and watch the football, hope England win, you're on a winner.
Yeah.
Score, what do you reckon, Kay, the game, England-Mexico? Do you reckon they'll do it or not?
That'd be pretty close if they do.
Go on, no, you just say what you think, just say a score. I mean,
I'm going to say 2-1.
To who?
England.
You think England's going to do 2-1? I've said 2-2, and I think England might lose it on penalties. I hope not. I bloody well hope not. But, you know, we'll see. Let's face it, they ain't been playing particularly well, have they? I see about 10 minutes against the Croatia game, which I thought they were really good. But 10 minutes don't mean a thing at the end of the day. You need it for the whole game. These Mexicans, they're used to playing at that altitude and everything else, you know. And I think they're relying too much on Harry Kane. They won't be bringing that Manu on as well, I think. But anyway, that's down for the manager to decide. So good luck, England. Hope they can do it. Is it coming home? We don't know, do we?
No.
Yeah, so give us your comments below, that's all I can say. And let us know what you think of what we're showing you. Firecracker chicken sandwiches, sausage rolls, Damme Lemon Beer, Damme Mexico, come on England. Right, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel.
Yeah.
And we'll hopefully catch you lovely people in the next one.
Yeah.
Thanks
See
for watching.
ya.
Cheers.
Bye.
Come on England. See ya.